Hi everyone, Ken Shreve here from the street with a look at what's coming up in terms of economic data and earnings reports for the week of November 7th. After a busy week of economic data that culminated with a decent jobs report on Friday, the coming week is pretty light on data. The latest reading on consumer credit will be out Monday. After 10 straight months of expansion, consumer credit turned lower in August, falling to $9.5 billion from $11.9 billion in July. Meanwhile, the latest reading on wholesale inventories will be out Wednesday. Inventories increased 0.4% in August after increasing 0.8% in July. On Thursday, the latest reading on weekly jobless claims will be out. Claims recently fell 9,000 to 397,000. And on Friday, the first reading on consumer confidence for November will be released by the University of Michigan. The final reading of the October University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index came in at 60.9, well above the initial reading of 57.5. In terms of earnings, NASDAQ 100 firm Priceline will be out with earnings on Monday. Analysts are looking for another strong quarter from the online travel firm, with profit expected to be up 74% from a year ago to $9.30 a share, and sales up 41% to $1.4 billion. On Tuesday, Weight Watchers is expected to earn 94 cents a share, up 59% from a year ago, with sales up 24% to $411 million. Short interest is pretty high in Weight Watchers. Just over 7 million shares are currently held short, or about 25% of its float. Finally, on Wednesday, red-hot growth is expected to continue at Green Mountain Coffee Roasters. The current consensus estimate calls for profit of 48 cents a share, up 118% from a year ago, with sales up 104% to just over $760 million. Green Mountain is a dominant player in the single-cup coffee market. Starbucks recently reported earnings and is optimistic about continued strong growth in the single-cup coffee market. Starbucks K-Cup coffee pods will be available in stores this month. Only 8% of households have premium single-cup brewers, but Starbucks expects the percentage could double or triple in 5 years. That's what I'll be watching in the coming week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here early Wednesday for my next 1-minute trade video.